The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Quad Cities has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Bureau County in north central Illinois, northeastern Putnam County in north central Illinois, until 11:45 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by stationary thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Spring Valley, Ladd, Dollarville, Seatonville, Spring Valley Airport, and Oakville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 68 and 72. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.